Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve LeanCode problem 1214 license key formatting. So this is one of the Google interview questions as you can see it here. Before we go through the description and details, I want to mention that my channel is dedicated to help people who are preparing for coding interviews as well as Java telephonic interviews. It has a lot of good playlists and solved examples with different variety of problems like dynamic programming, linked list, array list, binary search, priority queue optimization problems, and many other types, which were asked by many big companies like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and others. So if you are someone who is preparing for Java interviews or coding interviews or just learning Java concepts, then this channel is for you. Please subscribe to the channel so you can watch many videos. So let's go through the description. You are given a license key represented as a string S which consists only alphanumeric character and dashes. The string is separated into n plus 1 groups by n dashes. Given number k, we would want to reformat the string such that each group contains exactly k characters, except for the first group, which could be shorter than k but still must contain at least one character. Furthermore, there must be a dash inserted between two groups and all lowercase letters should be converted to uppercase. Given a non-empty string s and number k, format the string according to the rules described above. Length of string s will not exceed 12,000 and k is a positive integer. String s contains only alphanumeric characters A to Z and capital A to Z and 0 to 9 numbers and dashes, and it's non-empty. So as you can see it, they have given us these two examples. So let's take these examples over here and we will discuss how we are going to solve this problem. So basically, as you can see that this string is given to us and it uses alphanumeric characters only, and there are couple of dashes here, right? Dashes. So these are kind of separators in the group. So what they are saying is they want us to, just a second. So they want us to basically um, group this string. So first thing is we have to make this whole thing capitalized, right? So as you can see, this whole thing is capitalized, and after that we have to take groups of 4 characters from the backward side basically, right? So as you can see, we have to take group of 4 characters, and then after group of 4 characters, k is 4, right? That's why we are taking 4 characters. We have to insert a dash and then again create another group here, right, of 4 characters or less than 4 characters if it is first group, right? So for example, in this second example, if you look at this example, we first will capitalize this string like this, right? And then we need to take 2 characters group. So it is taking 2 characters group, then again inserting dash, again 2 characters group, again inserting dash, and then only one character is left after that, which we will take, right? Because it is less than k. So we can take that. So basically each group should at least contain one character, right? That is the criteria they have given us. So this is the problem, and we are trying to solve. So let me just backtrack this uh, quickly. So now what we are going to do to solve this problem is, first thing we will do is we will remove all the dashes from the string, right? And then we will capitalize this string. So now if we remove the dashes and if we capitalize this string, it becomes 5f, then 3z, right? 3z, 2e9w, 2e 9w, right? So this is the string that it will become after removing all the dashes. So and we also capitalized it, right, the remaining string. Now what we will do is we will start from the end and we will go character by character from the end, and when we every 4 characters, means every k characters, whenever we find, we will insert a dash there, right? So we will go here, we will insert a dash here. Now when we found this 4 group, we cannot insert a dash here because we are left with no characters now, right? And they said that at least we will need one character in each group, so we cannot insert a dash here, right? So this dash is not correct, so we will not insert. So basically what we will be doing in our program is whenever we reach I is greater than, like if I is getting less than 0, right, or equal to 0, then we will not insert the dash, right? Because we are, if we reach this character, then there is no point we are inserting dash here, right, the first character, because it doesn't make sense, because there is no group on the left side if it is a first character. So that is the logic we are going to solve this problem. So here also same thing we will do. We will first convert this string into capitalized string, so it becomes 25 G, and after that 3J, right, 3J. So 3 and J, and after that K is given to us. K is given to us as 2. So we will go every two characters we will put a dash. Every two character we will put a dash here, right? And now if we go here, let's say we are going out of the boundary, right? We are going less than 0. So we are done. Once we are at 0, we are done basically, right? And we will just use string builder for this, right? String builder is a Java's way to dynamically build strings. So we will use string builder class for this. So let us just go through the implementation now. So first thing is, as you can see, just a second. So first thing you can see is we are going to remove the dashes, right, in the string s, and then we just made the string s uppercase here, right? After that we just defined a string builder as a result, and we just appended the string s into the string builder, right? So whole string we have appended to string builder. Now what we are going to do is we have initialized I is equal to total length of the string minus k, right? Total length of the string, for example this is 8 length, right? 8 minus k, basically 8, and k is 4, so 8 minus 4 is 4 basically, right? So that's what we are doing. And while I is greater than 0, what we will do is we will insert character dash into ith position, right? I is the position where we are inserting. So 4 is this 4 position that we calculated is the position where we are going to insert into the string builder, right? So if you calculate this, it is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and the fourth position means after z basically, right? So we will insert it at that position, and then we will update our I will become I minus k, right? So next time I will become I minus k, so 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 in this case. And then we are again in the loop, right? Then again we will try to insert the dash if it is I is greater than 0. Now in this case I is 0, right? So we don't have to insert anything, we are done basically with this string, right? This is our answer. So for we will also walk through the another example, this second one. So here if you calculate the length of the string, it is 1 2 3 4 5, right? 5 is the string in the beginning after removing dashes, right? And then first thing is we will subtract 2 because k is 2 from it, and it becomes 3, right? So we will go to third position and we will insert dash. So for example this is the string, right? So 2 5 G G 3 and J, 3 and J. So here we, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, right? So we will go at third position now. So third position we will insert basically, which means that this is second, and after second third position comes, so we will insert here, right, after G, and then we will reduce it by 2, so it becomes 1. Again we will go to one position, which is this position, so we will again insert here dash, right? And then again we will decrement by 2, which becomes minus 1, right? So basically at this point we are done, so we will just return this as the answer, right? So that is what we are doing here. So system.out, I just put it for debugging. So we will just run this program on the inputs that they have given us and make sure it works now. So this is the first one. This one should be the first one. Let's run this test. So as you can see, this is the first one which is giving us correct result. Now if we modify this as a, if we want every two characters group, then let's see how it looks like, right? So now as you can see, every two characters are grouped, right? These are all two characters, they are grouped and separated by dash, so it is working correct. We can take this another second example also. Here k is equal to 2, so let's run this. So as you can see, we are getting again correct result here. That is the result. So we will submit our solution. So our solution got accepted and it is 96.67% faster than other solutions, which is nice. So this is the way we can solve license key formatting problem by using string builder. This is one of the past Google interview questions, so make sure you understand and practice it. When you are practicing interview questions, try not to use the IDEs or any autocomplete Java code. Try to handwrite your code, because in the whiteboarding that will help you. Also, if you haven't already gone through my playlist for LeetCode solutions, please go through it. It has a lot of variety of problems which were asked by big tech companies like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and other companies as well. It consists variety of problems such as dynamic programming, priority queue, linked list related problems, string related interview questions, as well as logical questions, array, binary search related questions. So go through it. If you are preparing for coding interview, it will be definitely helpful to you. There is another playlist called as Java interview. That playlist is consists of videos for frequently asked Java questions and how to answer them. Also conceptual questions and theoretical Java questions that are frequently asked in Java interviews are there. So please check it out. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel, so the video can reach to more people like you who are preparing for coding and Java interviews. They can also watch this video and it can also help them in their preparation. So please subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching the video.